Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, this cool mismatch right here, and basically what this is a screen protector for your iPhone 13 Pro. If you can see, the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and right here they probably got some of the specs that's on here. So this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open this up to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically actually looks like inside. There's actually some more stuff inside right here. So they basically provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to install the product. Right here they provide you guys a little scraper that you can use to actually scrape the screen protector on to make sure it applies correctly. And then right here we have the actual product right here. So for this one right here, they actually provide you guys two of these right here. And the way how they design this one right here, it gives you guys an easy installation when you guys set this up. All you need to do is peel out the back part and apply it on and push it down if you guys follow the instructions that's mentioned on right here. But they basically provide you guys two of them right here. And they also provide you guys this accessory as well, that's an anti-slip mat. Then put your phone on top to prevent it from moving around when you guys install it. And they also provide you guys 2 packs of these installation kits that has like the wet wipes, dry wipes, and the list goes on. And then right here they provide you guys some dust absorber tape. So definitely use this to absorb like the dust and everything before you guys apply on the screen protector. And then last but not least, they provide you guys a lens cover. So definitely use this to apply it onto the back camera lens if you guys want to, which is pretty nice. So if you guys are curious about what it actually looks like, this is basically what it actually looks like right here. So all you need to do is peel this out and stick it in the back camera lens. So obviously you guys want to use like the wet wipe and dry wipe and the dust absorber tape to actually clean off your lens first before you guys put this on. Same thing applies in the front side as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Let me actually install this and show you guys how to install it first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got everything right here. I put the extra one on one side right here. Let me actually start installing it to show you guys how to install it. So first you want to do is open up this right here first to get the wet cloth and dry cloth and wipe down the actual phone first. So inside they provide you guys wet wipes, a dry wipe, and they also provide you guys the dust absorber tape as well. So that way you guys actually remove like the dust and everything. And what I do recommend is that when you guys are installing a screen protector, you want to turn off your phone first. So that way your screen won't keep popping up. So I'm actually open the wet wipe first. So basically want to use this to wipe down the phone first. Make sure everything is clean before you guys apply it on. Alright. Now you guys want to get the dry cloth right here to wipe it down. Alright. And now you just want to put your phone on top of this mat right here. So that way when you guys are installing it, it won't keep moving around. So what I'm going to do now is get the little tape right here to stick off any dust if there is any. Alright. So now you guys want to get this ready right here. So you guys want to peel this off right here first. And you guys want to apply this on right here. So you guys want to push it down. And you guys want to press this down this way like this. And once you guys push it down this way right here, they mention how you should wait 15 seconds before you guys actually move it. Alright, so it's been around like 15 seconds now. So you guys want to move this part right here. Alright, so once you guys finish installing it, you can see how it's completely perfect. There's literally no bubbles on here. So this brand new way of installing the screen protector is actually pretty awesome. So that way every time you guys install it, it's a perfect installation. And you don't have to worry about any bubbles on here. So now let's install the back part right here. So you basically want to do the same thing. Use the wet wipes and wipe it down. Make sure it's clean first. Alright. Once you guys do that, use the dry cloth right here to wipe it down. Alright. So once that's done, you guys want to get the dust absorber tape right here to remove any dust if there is any. Alright. And now I'm going to peel this part out and I just stick it on here. So just like this right here. And you basically want to just push it down. Make sure it sticks on correctly. So you guys are basically done installing the back part right here and also the front part as well. If you can see, the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. And it's actually a really easy process. And it pretty much guarantee that when you guys use this brand new way of installing your screen protector, there's literally no bubbles if you guys follow all the steps correctly. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that's a quick test. I probably definitely see that she does work and she works quite well. Super easy to install the product, but definitely the whole setup process was not hard at all. It was actually pretty easy. But in terms of the glass protector that's on here, they mentioned how it's actually really high quality. They mentioned how it has like a waterproof or water resistant layer, and it's also going to be anti-shatter resistant as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are planning to get like the brand new iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, or even iPhone 13 Pro Max. They actually have this available for all those phones. So you definitely want to do your own research to actually see which one is best for you guys. But if you guys are planning to get the new phone, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.